how to fix the problem of Instagram page isn't available right now on an iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open settings on your phone. Now, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is working properly. You can also tap on its information and tap on forget this network, and you want to reconnect the network so that the network runs smoothly. Next thing that you can do is you want to go back to the settings, and if you're using cellular data, you want to go ahead and tap on it and tap on cellular data option. Make sure that voice and data is using 3G or above. After that, you want to go to the home screen. Now you want to go to the App Store and make sure the app is updated. Go to the search bar and search for Instagram. If the blue button right here says update, you want to go ahead and update it. And if the blue button says open, you have to know that your app is updated and you are good to go. Now you need to exit App Store and then open your settings app again. Go to general and tap on iPhone storage. It will load after some time, and after that you want to scroll down and tap on Instagram. Now here you want to go ahead and offload the app. Tap on offload app and tap on offload app again and then reinstall it. Now, what you need to do next is go back one step, and then you want to tap on background app refresh and make sure the toggle button for Instagram is turned on. Now again, you want to go back to general and scroll down to the very bottom. Then you want to go ahead and transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset, and now tap on reset all settings and enter your password. So that is how to fix Instagram page isn't available right now on an iPhone. That's all for today's video. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.